This is a section of the brain, specifically the cerebellum or cerebellar area, stained with routine H&E. So you can see that it has quite a different pattern. But still, you would have your gray matter and the middle white matter. Okay. Um, in the cerebellum, there is a special kind of multipolar cell, which we call the Purkinje cells. So they just have a special name and they are quite distinct. They are found in this area under the high magnification. Again, these cells are considered as your multipolar neurons as well. Here. The cells inside here are also multipolar neurons, but they are shaped quite differently. But we will be talking about this um, in a different video. But for this case, you can just focus on the Purkinje cells here.